Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious refried beans from scratch. First, select 1 pound of dried pinto beans, which are ideal for this recipe. Rinse them well to remove any impurities. Then, place the cleaned beans in a large bowl and cover them with about 8 cups of water. Let them soak overnight, or for at least 8 hours. This crucial step significantly reduces cooking time and ensures your beans cook evenly, giving them a wonderfully creamy texture. Once your beans have soaked, drain them completely and transfer them to a large pot. Now, add 6 cups of fresh water or vegetable broth. Broth adds a richer flavor. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and half an onion, which will infuse the beans with a subtle sweetness. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for about 1.5 to 2 hours. The beans should be incredibly tender and easily mashed. Now for the refried part. In a large skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of lard or your preferred cooking oil over medium heat. Add about 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and sauté until it becomes translucent and fragrant, which takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, scoop about 1 cup of your cooked beans, along with a little cooking liquid, into the skillet. Begin mashing them with a potato masher, gradually adding more bean liquid until you reach your desired consistency, usually creamy but with some texture. To elevate the flavor, stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little kick. Continue to mash and fry the beans for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to thicken and develop a rich, savory crust on the bottom. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper as needed to achieve your perfect flavor profile. Serve your homemade refried beans warm as a fantastic side dish, a filling for burritos, or a topping for nachos. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.